Welcome to Copycat Toons, where we dive into the often hilarious and sometimes bizarre world of cartoon ripoffs. From blatant copies to those that barely skirt the line of legality, we'll explore how these imitations have made their mark on pop culture. Get ready for laughs, surprises, and a bit of nostalgia as we uncover the stories behind the world's most cheeky cartoon doppelgangers. The art of imitation. Let's start with the basics. What makes a cartoon a ripoff? We'll define the key elements of copycat cartoons, including character similarities, plot mimicry, and visual style theft. By comparing scenes from famous shows and their less-known counterparts, we'll see just how close some producers have dared to tread to the originals. Famous examples will highlight some of the most notorious cartoon ripoffs. Remember when Space Thunder Kids tried to capture the magic of Voltron and Transformers? Or how about The Little Cars, which raced into the scene directly behind Pixar's Cars? We'll analyze clips, discuss the creators' motivations, and the legal and fan reactions to these bold moves. Why they exist? Why do these imitations exist? We'll delve into the economics of animation, explaining how lower budgets and the desire for quick profits lead studios to produce knockoffs. Interviews with animation experts and psychologists will help us understand the appeal of familiar visuals and stories to audiences globally. Impact on the industry. What impact do these ripoffs have on the industry? We'll discuss the potential harm and benefits, including how they influence creativity and competition. We'll also touch on copyright law and how it shapes what is considered fair use versus infringement. Fan reactions and legacy. How do fans react to these copycats? We'll share reactions from both die-hard fans of the original cartoons and those who have a soft spot for the imitations. Some see these ripoffs as humorous tributes. Others view them as cheap knockoffs undermining their beloved originals. To wrap up, we'll consider the future of cartoon imitations. With the rise of streaming platforms and easier access to diverse content, will copycat cartoons continue to thrive, or will they be lost to a more discerning audience? Join us as we conclude our journey through the quirky side of cartoon history. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Were there any ripoffs that you found surprisingly good? Let us know, and thanks for watching Copycat Toons. Evolution of animation technology. We delve into how advancements in animation technology have enabled faster and cheaper cartoon production, directly impacting the rise of imitations. We discuss everything from traditional animation methods to modern digital tools, and how these have changed industry dynamics. This includes technical demos and interviews with animation software developers. Legal battles and their outcomes. We examine some of the most iconic legal cases involving cartoon ripoffs. We detail specific instances where major studios took on producers of imitations, discussing the legal implications and the changes these battles brought to copyright laws. Legal experts provide insights on the decisions and how they affect content creation today. Behind the scenes. We offer a behind-the-scenes look at the productions of imitations. How are these animations made? Who are the artists and creatives behind them? We conduct exclusive interviews with animators and producers who chose to work in this market segment, exploring their motivations and the challenges they face. Global market for ripoffs. We evaluate the global market for these imitations. How do different countries consume and react to these ripoffs? We explore the cultural and economic impact of these works in international markets, including analyses from global market experts and clips of fan reactions from around the world. Ethical considerations and future predictions. We discuss the ethical considerations involved in producing imitations. Is it fair to create something so similar to an original work? We explore the balance between inspiration and imitation, and what the future might hold for ripoffs in an era of heightened copyright awareness and originality. If you enjoyed this video, check out our playlist on the secrets behind your favorite cartoons for more behind-the-scenes insights. And remember to follow us for more content just like this.